Hi guys, it's Amashik aka Leah here. So today, Leigh husband and I are going to the Golden Mall in Flushing, Queens. It's an underground food court of like authentic Szechuan and Cantonese food. So I thought I'd take you guys on with me on a foodie adventure. So let's go. Okay, we made it to Flushing and all of the madness and this cute Amachi behind me. All of this looks so good. Pretty sure that's chicken meat. That might be tripe, which I love. So the first thing we got was the lamb burger. This was supposed to be one of the best things to get, so we'll see how this goes. It's hot. Oh, it's really good. There's a lot of cumin and coriander, but I'll let you take it away. Okay, so Denny and I decided that this is gonna get 4 out of 5 stars. It's really good. There's spiciness, but it's a mixture of coriander and cumin, and that's like a little too much for me. Like, I like to appreciate the flavor of the lamb, and I'm not really getting that. But it's a great.
The bread is very good.
The bread is like nice and toasty. It's like, I mean, how would you describe it? It's not very bready, but it's more crispy. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's really good. So this was our first stop. This was $4.50. Our challenge today is to only spend $20. So let's get to the next spot. Alright guys, so this place is a dumpling spot and you can build your own dumplings. We started off with a sesame scallion pancake. One slice of this is $1. And I just want to show you. You can see the tripe. That's straight up bird head. Not sure which type. And that's tendon. I love tendon. That looks so good. So Leigh husband got the sesame scallion pancake. And he is giving it a 3.5. giving it a 3.5. I'm not like a fan of sesame pancakes in general, but you can see there's a good amount of scallion in there and a lot of sesame. I'm gonna take a bite of this. Is sesame pancakes supposed to be crispy? It's really soft. So I got a 3.5 because it's too soggy. It should be crispier. So we'll see how the dumplings turn out. Okay guys, the dumplings finally came after like a 15-minute wait. They made them fresh. And Denny's about to get into this sauce. It's going to destroy him, but I don't think he cares. Let's see how this goes. We're still waiting to eat because it's steaming. So we're probably gonna have to wait another like 10 minutes. I'm just gonna go for it. They're so good. It's so hot. Also, fun fact, I don't know how to use chopsticks. And I'm feeling miserable. It's the most amount of concentration I've ever spent. Burning, but it's good. It's good, right? You like it? How many stars would you give it?
4.5.
4.5? That's high. I think I might just give it a 4. I don't feel like the filling is as flavorful.
Pretty good.
It's pretty good, but it's like fresh. It's really, really fresh. So, there's that. Tendon. I've been waiting for this moment. All about the beef tendon. You see all of the peppers and the scallion and how thinly sliced it is. It's gelatinous deliciousness. I don't know how to
say what it is.
This is beef. I said beef tendon like it's fresh.
It's so quiet.
Okay. I don't want people to watch me. Alright, here we go. It's spicy. It's got numbing peppers in it. Do you see all of the spiciness? This is where the beef tendon marinates. Oh, it's spicy. So they cut it really thin, so it just sops up the juices. It's so good. Okay, so
That's what you were expecting.
yeah, so I'm gonna give this like a 4.5. It would have been a 5 if it was like warmer. I'm not like a huge fan of it being super cold. Denny, what would you give it?
3.
He says 3. You like the sauce though.
Sauce is amazing.
He just doesn't like the texture of tendon, but I love it. It's delicious.
Oh wow.
So we're at a noodle place, but we have no idea what we ordered, and no one will help us. We were hunting for pork bone soup, and then Denny saw a noodle dish that he liked, but they don't have an English menu, and they were not. Ah, thank you. and they're not very friendly. So we'll see what we got here, folks. Again, we have no idea what this is. And we're just risking it. Oh, okay. The lady said lo mein. And this doesn't look like any type of lo mein I've had, but let's see how it tastes. Okay, so here goes nothing. Also, I'm really bad at chopsticks.
Nuts.
It smells, it's peanut sauce in noodles. That's what this is. I give it a 3.
I love peanuts.
So this...
And I'm not a fan of... I don't even think it's just the sauce. I think the noodle itself, do you think it's like peanut?
No.
Infused is just the sauce?
It's just the sauce. So I love the texture of the noodles. Like, I feel like that's amazing.
Noodles are really high quality.
They're really good quality noodles. But the sauce is just like peanut sauce. And my husband loves peanuts and he's not feeling the sauce. I say like 3.5. And most of it is because of that.
But the place is packed.
This place is like so packed. But I don't think they ordered what we ordered because we don't know what to order. So yeah, kind of a fail, but it's okay.
Tastes pretty good.
Because Lay husband refuses to be on camera, I have to share this with you. He has an update. He now likes the peanut sauce. Do you upgrade it to a 4 then?
Because of the quality of the noodle, yeah.
He says it's now a 4 out of 5 for him. It's still a 3.5 for me, but so. All right. Update. So we just finished our Golden Mall adventures. It was a little bit anticlimactic because we spent a lot of time trying to figure out where places were that I had read about and like attempting to figure out the menu. Most of the stuff we tried was great. Now, Lay husband is getting himself a taro creme brulee. But I think we're just gonna wander Flushing for a little bit and do some shopping, get some groceries, and check it out. But, you know, overall, it was very authentic. I felt like I was in China. Nobody spoke English. All of the menus were in Chinese. It's like, it's always astounding to me how New York allows, you know, people to just live in their bubble and create their own type of space. So it was really cool. It was fun. I suggest you all check it out, and I will make a detailed guide based on what I was able to figure out, but we are picking up some fresh fish, getting some butterfish. My Malus know what that's about. The Chetan over there is cutting out my pompano for me to make my famous liamoli. Honestly, it's worth the trip, guys, because it's so much cheaper and so much fresher. Oh, look who made a brief appearance. To make the trip out here for really fresh fish at great pricing. So, do it. We happen to find live frogs, so you can get fresh frogs here. Okay, we're walking back to our car. We finished up our tour of Golden Mall. We did some shopping. We picked up chukka, asparagus, which was really cheap, and then we got butterfish and pompano, and it was really good. Somewhat of a successful trip, except I think we both realized we have no clue about Flushing, and it's gonna require many more visits in order to get a handle on it, because I don't even know if we went to like a good supermarket. No idea. Couldn't tell you. But it was good. We're gonna go back to the car and drive around now. Bye.